Well, in this section, we'll talk all about filters, yeah? Filtering by content, by string content. And I will start, however, with limiting data in SQL. And here we refer to limiting the number of rows. And it's about limit, offset, and the other equivalent top, fetch, and so on. Yeah, legacy constructs. Then we'll talk about filtering with window functions with qualify. Okay, I'll not tell you what it is, but if you try to use where in the where clause, a function window call or a reference to a function window call, it will fail. Case insensitive queries. Okay, yeah, I'll tell you about I like and upper, lower. How do you get case sensitive, case insensitive queries? Regular expressions and support with regexp functions introduced in Snowflake. Patterns with match recognize. This is big, guys. This is big, guys, yeah. This will look for patterns in sequences of rows. And yes, this kind of function has been implemented also in other major database systems, but it's very powerful and you should learn about. Full text search. So you have a search function or clause or whatever that you can use with a full text index as well, yeah, with search optimization. Sort with nulls first, last. That's something else here. It's about order by. But how do you emulate this one? Yeah, so you already have this one. It's supported. Yeah, it's been implemented in Oracle, I think, long ago. Right now, it's supported the way it is, nulls first, nulls last, but it's good to know how to emulate this as well.